Moto tayole perfect no libuke kwa na bora nyora asali geruko bwa. Batirende. Nere na abo nyasa ko ligide se muyo ko moligia. No no mo basta nyasa ko ligia. Tebele tinga mo takara out na motuire microphone yo bata ibuna nyasa ko ta nga perfect. Na bora nyora ale wasi ayo even better. So tiga tuanjira nena ki. Ko ende kanisa. Ko bomuraji kanisa. OSEKO dress ye uniform ye kwaya does not make you better. We are all human beings. Nyasa tura abeto ko nyakolia. Otherwise twensi ntoka kerochi itoko boka kerali tuko na abasali tole tonya kuri gyo bosibu monene toko saba mabe egina kikero amangana aronga ngano boronge to bugate boronge mbori yande biyamono
Mwancho muligerio Gusii voice rero ni gonde chinsemo cheka busi enka ya Dennis OSEKO oyo abange bamaite una high court. High court no monta abantu abange bamaite online over research platform au TikTok ne chinsemo chia Facebook asinga jo sema ni yiga nabo igokobeka mangana imitandao no kijana kyalinge very active oyo abantu abange banchete senchire mosende. Just the other day aligetenga not well litko elimo bosio karanga rest in peace. Twekira senka esingi tukwane na familia yabo batatainga nkikyabete nabo igonga kimipango ya matangere nabo igobwate fundraising ye bakora singi cyamatanga ya HIGHCOURT ya Friday aguchi gokorekana ali Nyantirogo Stadium. Na turega tianso se family tukwana barabo at least tumanye mipango kibabwate we will be here for short time singi babwate meeting chinyinge kigendrete ga asaiga kabusi. Elio tomanya abantu baito senchira ya musende mark 19 ko kutiga tosoyoiga litukwa na barabo senchira ya musende. Karibu sana.
Asante.
Pole sana.
Asante.
Karibu sana se Gusii voice. Nande pole sana se ayabanyolire senke gasogosiria HIGHCOURT. That is what we know him. Sansa mwe mitandao na Dennis OSEKO, one of the sharpest guy I know personally. Dressed well and giving out mangana marunge sesa mwe mitandao.
Okay.
Karibu sana. Nakibuka.
Jean Christopher Nyavira injeo moke minto so Dennis nero lengo monene alafu nimbwate sister na brother.
Okay. So you are the brother to Dennis OSEKO?
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
You are just 3.
We were 4, so we are now 3.
No. Right.
Yeah.
Pole sana soko siria your brother.
Asante.
Asa bantu batuligereti abange bansubumire sana nga Mark Knight please. Just go tura manyano yenga isobo HIGHCOURT. At least manyano yenga tura konye a family tura manyano yenga ki HIGHCOURT. Yes, abantu we were shocked, even me personally. I'm even in shock mpaka bono timanye what happened. Asa muligereti kuligereti kara introduce yango what happened?
I'll try to be really brief. Kwa jinsi tumesema kwa unatoa tavila se media previously ilikuwa heart complications na it came really fast, really abrupt and he succumbed. So I think that's what I would say happened. It was really heart complications. Akawa hospitali kadhaa hapa Gusii within a very short time frame. Then as a precaution we decided to transfer him to another facility in Eldoret, and so but he succumbed on his way to Eldoret. So yeah, just that.
So ne problem to address kitambi?
No, it was abrupt as I said.
So it was even a shock to the family and what a problem, heart problem.
So it's good I don't go into so much of health issues, but as we said, it's just this phase was within a period of because he was in these hospitals for a period of around 2 weeks, and we were doing a precaution transfer to Eldoret. Not that we knew it would turn this tragic. So yeah, I think we can leave it at that with the medical situation. Yeah. If it was my own, I would probably speak more openly. I respect other people's medical information. Yeah.
Pole sana. So at the point akulika not well.
Alikuwa hospitali.
Na yeye mwenyewe ndiye aliandika.
Yeah.
The day tu akakufa. Pole sana. So there are some people ambao wanaweza taka kufika hapa. How can you give them the direction to this
So hapa panaitwa Gusii village. It's off Nyantrago. Nyantrago is where the so-called Nyandusi Stadium is located. Nyantrago is also close to Keumbu. So from Keumbu, depending on where you're coming from, Keroka, you take a left turn, come all the way to Nyantrago, then you come to Gusii village, which is like 2 to 3 kilometers from Nyantrago. Yeah.
All right. Familia naona iko na mambo ya michango, at least want to help the family in one way or the other. So like where can they channel their contribution to? Who can they talk to? Yeah.
So we have a number that is registered under the spouse. It is available online. We've shared posters. We've also invited many people to WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
So that is the number we are using for fundraising to support both the burial arrangements and also to support the aftermath. Okay. So it's a young family, and obviously then there will be need for adjustment for the family. So
that's true.
Yeah.
There's those people ambao wako bowling Dennis OSEKO mwanchi wenga kiatalikorokana we've been here, maybe you can answer them ba bowling mark night wikali na imuka Dennis yale. She of course came to you and explained that she didn't feel and she doesn't have energy right now to speak. That's one. Two, of course, she's not been in public domain even when my brother was alive. So she likes her privacy, and my brother also protected that privacy of hers. We feel obliged to also respect that privacy. So I think we'll strive to ensure that she doesn't break so much from that practice, even during the time when our brother was alive. So we'll support her to continue that preference of hers, and also it was the preference of her brother. So I think really those two reasons, that she's not in the mood, but also she prefers being out of public. That's view. Yeah, that's true. Now arrangements are matanga ziko namna gani?
So the burial will be on 5th September, which is Friday. The current venue is Nyantrago Stadium. We are still doing the fundraisings. We are contributing to this number registered under the spouse, which I can mention. Have not crammed it because it was a new number registered, but I can just read it from the WhatsApp page. It's here. So the number is 0741 874 184, and the name is Diana Ndege Matoke, which is the name of the spouse.
Okay. Now moko contribute just number hiyo elio at least wanyole enough resources chira basically this family, and maybe chibakonyese okobanga logistics singa matanga. And if people want to talk to somebody here or boli bintu bibere bitatu, at least komanya more about one two, maybe who can they talk to?
If people want to talk to someone, via phone, or even they want to come.
Phone, maybe direction.
They can talk to me. They can call this number. They can also talk to me. I'm doing the updating with my other line, so it's easy, I guess, to reach me somehow.
Right. Mancho Maligari, by the way, second meeting next thing na bange mboniga ametufanyia favor kubwa sana kwa twali bagali yae singi nanda bantu bali bamuganyete n'abandi bali bakunya go chagaiga. I know maybe you can contribute to that number, and oyo rata gocha ga direction nere iyo then bange tiga toche ga sinjo support our brother so far no matebiru a venue Kalyantrago Stadium. Kalyantrago Stadium mpaka ga igatali yale na bogocha. My brother pole sana.
Asante sana.
Watie nguvu. We'll be here for our brother.
Okay.
Because he is someone we respected. Na may he so rest in peace.
Asante.
Pole sana.
Meshukuru. Tutaonana. Thank you.
Mwacho mwaligeriti atukoli kuro saiga. Tumera nasu mugano gocha. Nche magnet nkuru kwenye sawi.